More news coming in. This is a story developing from West Bengal where BJP's Dilip Ghosh seems to be sidelined here. Dilip did not turn up at the Prime Minister's and at the Home Minister's West Bengal rally. Days after Dilip Ghosh and Mamata Banerjee's meeting and greet, which went viral, which you can see on your screens at this point in time, there is speculation that all is not well. Dilip Ghosh says I was not invited for Modi and Shah events. A former BJP president of West Bengal, in fact, Dilip Ghosh was not seen in the rally of the Prime Minister, nor was he seen in Amit Shah's program in Kolkata. Questions obviously being raised whether Dilip Ghosh had been completely sidelined by the party. Anupam is getting in more details in that story. Anupam, essentially Dilip Ghosh has just recently been married and this was a meeting with Mamata Banerjee which was being seen as more like a courtesy call, isn't it, after his wedding. But this seems to have not gone down well perhaps with the leadership, or what else could be the reason? Tell us more, what's brewing?
Well, Sneha, we have seen that when Prime Minister Narendra Modi came to North Bengal, Dilip Ghosh was absent. And now in Kolkata, when Amit Shah did a rally and he spent almost a day in Kolkata, Dilip Ghosh was absent from all his programs. So when we asked him, he said that we have not been invited by the party. But the thing is, the sources inside the party are telling us that since Dilip Ghosh was invited in the Jagannath Temple inauguration by Mamata Banerjee, and he went there with his wife, and his cozying up with Mamata Banerjee was not gone down well with high ranks of BJP, and that could have been the reason why Dilip Ghosh has been sidelined by the party. You know, Dilip Ghosh has always been a very popular leader in Bengal, and he is one of the most successful crowd puller leader in Bengal BJP. But the way he has been sidelined, it shows that party has not taken being cozying up with Mamata Banerjee as very good, and this is the main reason the party sources are saying that he has been sidelined by the party.
All right, that's what we're picking from our sources. In fact, listening to what Dilip Ghosh had said, spoken about the fact that he was not invited. Listen in.
আমার সারাদিনের প্রোগ্রাম ঠিক ছিল, আমাকে এই বৈঠকে ডাকা হয়নি। আমার মনে হয় আরও কয়েকজন প্রাক্তন রাজ্য সভাপতি আছেন যাদেরকেও ডাকা হয়নি। তো ডাকা হয়নি যখন, যেখানে সাংগঠনিক বৈঠক, সেখানে যাওয়াটা আমাদের কাছে নিয়ম নয়। যাদের ডাকা হয় যেটুকু বলে সেটুকু করাই আমাদের ডিসিপ্লিন। সেইভাবে আমাকে ডাকা হয়নি বলে আমি যাইনি। মাননীয় অসীম ঘোষ আছেন, মাননীয় তথাগত রায় আছেন, এরাও প্রাক্তন রাজ্য সভাপতি, ওদেরকেও ডাকা হয়নি। বৈঠকে তো কাজের কথা ঠিক হয়, তারা যাচ্ছেন, ডিসিশন নেবেন, তারা যেটা ডিসিশন নেবে সেটা আমরা পালন করব।